Hello, I'm David. I'm one of the product managers here at Domino, and I'm here to show you our Cx350i high-resolution inkjet printer and why we think it's perhaps the best solution for direct-to-box online printing. The system's made up of three parts: the ink base, the printhead or printheads, and the touchscreen HMI. We'll start with the ink base. And the ink base comes in two variants. There's a 2-head ink base and a 4-head ink base. Actually, the two are near identical, with the 4-head ink base having those additional ink and electrical connections for up to 4 printheads rather than just the 2. Open up the ink base. This is a 2-head base. You'll see inside it's very clean, it's very simple. There's a large internal ink reservoir here. In the 2-head base, that's 440 millilitres. In the 4-head base, it's 760 millilitres. What does that mean for you? It just means that you have a large window of time over which you can replenish the ink bottle without the need to stop the production line. The ink bottle itself comes in two sizes, 850 millilitres and 1400 millilitres, and you can use either ink bottle in either ink base. Like the other parts of the system, the ink base is completely free from scheduled maintenance and there's no factory air. Next, we'll come on to the printhead. The printhead needs very little intervention and purging is needed very infrequently. On the rare occasions that it is needed, we recommend that the ink's left to run down the nozzle face without wiping it. That process takes no more than around 10 seconds. We have settings in the printer that allow you to reduce the ink drop size and to reduce the number of ink drops that we print. What does that mean for you? It means you have complete control over the way the code looks and control over readability and ink usage. So you can really drive down that cost of ownership. But what's always important is print quality. And print quality is a function of print resolution, of ink drop size and drop placement, and of the ink itself. We think that combination in the Cx350i is near perfect. The ink that we use is a Domino developed ink, so it's perfectly matched for use in this printer. It's a vegetable oil based ink, so it's non-hazardous and it's environmentally friendly. Lastly, we come on to the touchscreen HMI, and this uses our quick step interface that might be familiar to you if you're an existing Domino customer. It's the interface that's used in all our X generation products. It's intuitive and it's easy to use, and it means you're never more than 2 or 3 touches away from where you want to get to in the menus. Yep. From the home screen, one press gives you the status of the ink system and the ink levels. From the home menu, a couple of clicks gets you into any of the printer menu settings, and a single touch from any menu brings you straight back to the home screen. The quick step interface allows you to create labels from scratch and edit them through the touchscreen. Or the whole thing can be done through a web browser connected to the printer over Ethernet. Alternatively, it could be done on an external PC-based label creation package like Domino Quick Design. One of the great strengths of the Cx350i is the range of connectivity options that it gives you. Data can be sent remotely to the printer via EDC, Dynamark protocol, Ethernet IP. They're quite techie terms, but they mean that the printer can be integrated with your existing factory ERP system or SCADA system, or it can be integrated into a range of packaging and processing equipment. Connection to the Domino cloud allows you to remotely monitor the printer usage, its efficiency and its performance 24/7. And in the unlikely event of a problem, it allows us to remotely help you to get it quickly back online. The status of the printer is always shown in the middle of the screen at the top, and we're green, so let's run a print. And there you have it, the Cx350i from Domino. We think it's the best solution for your direct-to-box, high-resolution inkjet printing. Thanks for watching.